Everyone knows about what happened to Professor Peter Ridd at James Cook University. Shameful. It's common. The voice of science is suppressed right throughout academia in this country. We've got yet another prominent scientist, Dr. Howard Brady, invited to do a lecture as part of a normal series at the Australian National University. Once it was published what his topic would be, his seminar was cancelled. But there's more to it, because a number of academics at ANU are outraged. And at last, some academics standing up. And he is now gathering support from academics and scientists, real scientists, around the world. So here's the timeline of events. On the 20th of September, Dr. Brady was invited officially to give a lecture, an international lecture, at the economics department at the ANU. On the 24th of September, the seminar title and abstract were posted on an ANU website for those seminars, and the notification was sent to email parties around the world and within the ANU. The seminar title was Problems in Climate Science from the Viewpoint of an Historical Geologist. Now this man, Dr. Brady, is a first-rate scientist. He understands what science is. On the 28th of September, just 4 days later, the head of the school above the department and the head of the person who runs the seminars instructed, apparently after discussion, of which Dr. Brady and the seminar organizer have no information, no knowledge, to postpone, to cancel the lecture. Now, the man who organizes the seminars is actually involved with the economics of carbon dioxide. And this is entirely relevant. Dr. Brady's talk is entirely relevant to that. On the 29th of September, one day after the cancellation, the order of cancellation, discussions with the staff, including professors in the economics department, took place, and they were furious and saw the decision as the denial of academic freedom to a seminar that had definite economic ramifications. But they got together and said they're going to go ahead. Not as an official ANU seminar, but they're going to make it available on another date, 2:30 p.m, October 26th. And they've released information so that people from around the world can watch Dr. Brady. Since 29th of September, Dr. Brady has been receiving emails of support from many other university academics, not only from within the ANU, from Sydney University, University of New England, and Princeton University, the acclaimed university in the United States. The support from Princeton, I'll read this, is from world-famous Professor Will Happer, who was on the Security Council of the USA and is a first-class physicist. And he is one of the main climate advisors to America's President, Donald Trump. In fact, Professor Happer helped Dr. Brady with the physics in Dr. Brady's seminar paper. Dr. Brady says that he does not know what other pressures Dr. Burke was under. This is yet another example of control by academics who are funded by taxpayers and not willing to be accountable to the taxpayers, nor even to their fellow academics and fellow scientists. Disgraceful. ANU, you're exposed yet again.